Okay, today I'm going to try and do a little review on this DEIME, D-E-I-M-E, rotisserie. A rotisserie and air fryer oven. These are some of the accessories that it comes with. You got this way, and the first thing you want to do is when you're doing this, make sure you get, you'll see this little indentation right here on it, and it has one on each end. You want to make sure that your screw goes into that. That'll keep that from turning when you got your meat on it. Okay, this just pops in there like so. And you want to hit this button here with the 17, that means rotisserie. Then you got your time, up or minus, then all in minutes, and then your degrees. I guess 175 is as low as it goes. And then it automatically starts for you. You can see in there, it's turning. That turns it off. Or if you got like a bigger piece of meat, like roast or something, you can go this route. And there you got your set screw again. So it needs to go right into that little hole. Same on the other end. Okay, then they give you the skewers, which you would run through on each side. Runs like if you had a roast on here or something to hold your meat in place. Like that. I hope you can see it. And then you just do the same thing. It's pretty tight in here, but it goes. And then basically the same thing. And whatever you're going to cook, you got to hit that right there to make it go. That's light too. Oh, looks like I didn't get it in all the way. But anyway, you got the basic idea of how these things work. Pretty simple. Also, you got your basket for like tater tots and stuff like that. When you look at this thing, it's kind of hard, but it looks like, you know, you got to pull this, and you really got to pull on it pretty good. It almost feels like you're going to break it, but you can pull on it. It seems to not come off, and it pops back in after you get your tater tots or whatever you're going to do with it. And this is the same thing again. It fits right here and up into there. As you can see, it's turning. And I took some tater tots in it the other night, and it turned out pretty good. It's a pretty cool little oven, actually. What I like about it is some of them don't have a light inside, but having the light is nice. And up here, it doesn't get all hot like a lot of them on top. But you do want to make sure when you're cooking that you pull it away from your wall, because it does blow a lot of hot air out the back here. Okay, I got some pork loins I'm going to cook up. And your trays, you got a rounded edge. One needs to go towards the back. Now I'm going to go by what the book said. About 15 minutes, it said. And and it starts automatically. And I'm going to cook those. So that gives you a pretty well basic idea of how this little thing works. Actually pretty nice. I like it. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. Hope it helped some of you. Thank you.